step outside of magic. Love when I'm ripping the plastic. Love when I'm popping the elastic. 777 on the deck, you ain't never hearing nobody from nasty. Georgia, please. You know that I'm keeping it rags.
What is up, YouTube gang? It's your girl Antoinette Marie TV, and I'm back with a new video. This is about to be a epic little return video. So go ahead and grab you something to drink, have a seat, and come on, internet besties. I got something to tell you. So this is my first video back from post 4 years ago when I had COVID. I uploaded a video and was just telling you guys about my COVID pneumonia journey of when I caught COVID. 4 years ago, I caught COVID, pneumonia, and was hospitalized. I was then ventilated and induced into a coma for 3 weeks because my body was just really shutting down. And they wanted to just make sure that I was comfortable during the process and all of that. So I went through a coma for 3 weeks where I was intubated and medically induced into a coma. I stayed there for 3 weeks, as the video previously stated. I then had to come out of the hospital and go into a rehab because for a intubated tube being down my throat for 3 weeks, my voice was really sketchy. Talking was hard. I lost 70 pounds in 3 weeks. It was so unsafe to lose that much weight in that amount of time. But of course, I looked really different. My face looked really different at that time. It was just like a hard process for me to go through it myself and to see myself and to have to deal with the things that I was dealing with at the time. But I had respiratory failure, kidney failure. I had to have a tube put into, I'm sorry, you can see it. I had to have a tube put into my chest so that I could have continuous dialysis because my kidney functions were shit. They were failing me daily. That was that. Excuse me. And it was hard. Going through dialysis 3-4 times a week was hard as well. But on the outer look, God had other plans for me. And I'm just going to say what it is. Christ had other plans for me because they told, my POA that I was not going to make it and to take me off the ventilator. He advocated for me to the T. He didn't care what those doctors said, he didn't care what studies said, what science said. He advocated for me to the point where it was like, life fly her up out of here because this is not working. If you talking about pull a plug, we not doing that. We gon' fight for her life. And that's what they did. They fought for my life. So I just want to give a shout out to that person. You know who he is. We don't need to go all into it, but I am here today because that person advocated for me so good. But I had to come back from respiratory failure, kidney failure, learn how to walk again, learn how to talk again. I did 3 weeks in rehab. And because I was so dedicated to being myself again and to getting back to, I want to say, a stable place, I did everything I could. They said, I want you to walk this. No, I wanted to be up and hopping on one leg doing it because I needed to be back here with my children. My children were still, one of my kids were still under 18. So I had to be, here for them. And I fought as hard as I could, and God knows that. So with the grace of God, I pulled in, I prevailed. I am back. I am sitting here post COVID pneumonia 4 years later, no oxygen, no ventilation. And they said, brain dead, baby, brain dead. Where? Who? God had other plans for me, love. And that's exactly what I'm going to do. So now I am back. Hey, y'all. I have been on a journey myself, and it is I want to say a spiritual reckoning, and I am just going through some of those aspects of going through a life-threatening event, actually, like a near-death experience for myself. So I am coming back and I am here to revindicate myself and continue my journey that I was on previously before COVID. So that's what I'm going to do. I am a little under the weather now, just a small bit, but you know, I'm here and I'm doing what I am doing. So I cannot complain about any of that. I am on a weight loss journey. I'm also taking a journey of not just weight loss, but a whole lifestyle change. So you're going to follow me on that journey here as well. This is my last video. If you haven't watched it, go back and put the video right here. If you haven't watched it, go back and watch it. It's just basically describing a little bit in more, maybe not in more detail of what happened, but just a little bit more of what was going on. So today, my channel is going to be revindicated. I'm going to renew my channel and just upgrade some things about where my channel is going and the direction it's going. I do want to continue to 5,000 subscribers. So let's get my channel to 5,000 subscribers, guys. Let's go, let's go, let's go. What you will see on this channel, I will say this. What you will see on this channel is weight loss journey, a lifestyle change, just a day-to-day life, cooking. You'll see exercises. You will see some vlogs of places that I go. You will also see outfit of the day, fashion, hair, beauty, makeup. You're going to see it all because that's what I'm here to deliver. I'm here to deliver beauty, fashion, and freaking glam. So this is still the Liker Gang. So let's not forget, we all Liker Gang this way. I'm going to start uploading videos that I did previously that I just recorded and I never put them in anywhere. So I will just upload them here so you can see them. And this is maybe, these videos were recorded the ending of 2025. So I did want to get those videos out here for you guys, just so you can see that it's still me. It's still far away fun this way, and that we're gonna make the best of it. So get this video some likes, some subscribes, some comments, give me some questions, give me some things you want to know, and we will go from there. I also wanted to, like I said, get this channel to 5,000 subscribers. Let's get on up there. Let's get on up there. Anyway, that's it for the first video. I'm just coming back telling you I'm here and we gonna get the rolling. So I'll see you in the next video, guys. Like, comment, subscribe, and of course, see you in the next one.
Trust in me. I can't. You said